How to whisper in Roblox. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, launch a preferred browser in your device. In your browser, you need to search for roblox.com. In here, you need to log in into your Roblox account. Make sure that you have logged in into your account. Now firstly, you have to launch a game in your Roblox. In order to do so, you have plenty of games option. Just tap on any of the game that you want to. So go ahead and select on the preferred game. Select on the play button. Now once a game has initiated, at your top left corner, you will see a chat something like this. To whisper to any of your friend or the player in Roblox, it is pretty simple. All you have to type in is \w and the username of the player, then the message. The whisper or the private message will be sent to the designated player only. By this way, you'll be able to whisper in Roblox. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.